Welcome to Shrawley Media. We specialise in offering small businesses high quality drone footage both in video and stills format. When used effectively, aerial photography and videography can powerfully highlight a property's features. And the proper use of a drone can bring a sense of place to every location. Combined with traditional photographic methods, drone photography and videography can add a special something to every marketing package. When marketing more expensive property, drone footage allows you to show your property on its best day, every day. For those home buyers searching from out of area, aerial photography allows them to put each individual property into context with the location. Aerial photography now forms an important part of the marketing of commercial property. It not only allows applicants to view the property externally without even visiting the site, but also enables you to put the property in context. In addition to marketing, we also offer roof inspections and before and after videography and photography for builders and developers alike. Each roof inspection incorporates 4K video footage with an overview and then specific video and photographic clips for each part of the roof and/or guttering. Whether you're an estate agent, developer, homeowner, landlord, or perhaps a landscape gardener or architect, we are able to offer you an affordable and effective aerial photography solution every time.